Most doctors focus on the symptoms of aging, but they rarely talk about the fuel that keeps your eyes and brain from wearing out while you sleep. Now let's begin with our first protocol, what I call the retina reset. This is the foundational step, designed to be taken first thing in the morning to directly nourish the delicate tissues at the back of your eye. For this, you will need 3 simple yet profoundly effective ingredients: 3 medium-sized carrots, a 1-inch piece of fresh ginger, and 1 slice of lemon. These aren't just random items from the produce aisle. They are a targeted combination of nature's most potent compounds for vision health, working in perfect synergy. The carrots are the undisputed star of this recipe. Why? Because they are one of the richest natural sources of 2 specific carotenoids, lutein and zeaxanthin. Think of these compounds as your internal sunglasses. They are unique because they have the ability to travel through your bloodstream and deposit directly into the macula, the central part of your retina responsible for sharp, detailed central vision. Once there, they form a protective layer called the macular pigment. This pigment acts as a powerful filter, absorbing damaging high-energy blue and ultraviolet light before it can harm the sensitive photoreceptor cells underneath. This is your body's first line of defense against the kind of light damage that contributes to age-related macular degeneration, a leading cause of vision loss. But we don't stop there. We add ginger, a root celebrated for centuries for its powerful anti-inflammatory properties. The active compound, gingerol, works to reduce systemic inflammation throughout the body, including in the delicate blood vessels and nerves connected to your eyes. Specifically, it helps soothe inflammation in the optic nerve, the critical communication highway that transmits over 1 million light signals from your retina to your brain every second. A calm, healthy optic nerve means clearer, more reliable information gets through, reducing the chances of visual disturbances and supporting overall neurological function. Finally, the slice of lemon. It might seem like a minor addition for flavor, but its role is crucial. The lemon provides a potent dose of vitamin C, a powerhouse antioxidant. Vitamin C not only protects the lens of your eye from oxidative stress that can lead to cataracts, but it also acts as a catalyst, enhancing your body's ability to absorb and utilize the anti-inflammatory compounds from the ginger. It's the key that unlocks the full potential of the other ingredients, ensuring they work together at maximum efficiency. Now, timing and technique are everything. For maximum potency, you must drink this juice within 15 minutes of making it. The vital nutrients, especially the beta-carotene and vitamin C, are sensitive and begin to degrade when exposed to air and light. And here is the most crucial tip of all, one that makes all the difference. You must consume this juice with a source of healthy fat. The key vision-protecting nutrients in carrots, like beta-carotene, are fat-soluble. This means your body literally cannot absorb them without fat present. A few slices of avocado or a small handful of walnuts eaten alongside your juice will act as the transport vehicle, carrying these nutrients from your digestive system into your bloodstream, where they can travel to your eyes. Without this fat, you're simply not getting the benefits. This simple morning ritual is more than just a drink. It's a targeted delivery of the precise building blocks your eyes are crying out for to repair, protect, and reset your vision for the day ahead. This is for the brain fog. 1 small raw beet, 1 crisp green apple, 1 stalk of celery beets boost nitric oxide, gently opening blood vessels to increase oxygen delivery to your brain. The green apple softens the earthy taste, while adding polyphenols for antioxidant support. Celery brings natural electrolytes, especially sodium and potassium, that help neurons fire cleanly and communicate faster. Juice these ingredients. Drink between 2:00 and 4:00 p.m. for a clean lift. No jitters, just clearer thinking and steadier focus. If you prefer, add a splash of lemon for brightness. Sip slowly. Notice your mental horizons open as circulation improves. As our day winds down, our body's most important work is just beginning. This is when our brain shifts from processing the day's events to deep restorative maintenance. To supercharge this nightly repair cycle, we're going to create what I call the Neural Architect Smoothie. This isn't just a tasty evening treat, it's a targeted delivery system for the raw materials your brain needs to rebuild and reinforce its connections while you sleep. The foundation of this powerful blend is 1.5 cups of blueberries. You can use fresh or frozen, but wild blueberries, if you can find them, offer an even more concentrated dose of brain-boosting compounds. We'll pair this with half of a frozen banana. The frozen banana not only adds a wonderful creamy texture, making it feel like a decadent dessert, But it also serves a critical function. It's rich in potassium, an essential electrolyte that plays a key role in muscle function and nerve signaling. Many people, especially as they age, experience disruptive nighttime leg cramps. These cramps can pull you out of the deepest, most restorative stages of sleep, fragmenting your rest and leaving you feeling groggy the next day. The potassium from the banana helps regulate muscle contractions and can significantly reduce the frequency of these cramps, ensuring you stay in that deep, uninterrupted sleep where the real magic of brain repair happens. To bring it all together, we'll add 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk. This creates the perfect liquid base without adding refined sugars that can disrupt sleep patterns. Now let's talk about the star of the show, the blueberries. These small berries are packed with powerful antioxidants called anthocyanins. These are the compounds that give blueberries their deep, rich color, and they are one of the few antioxidants that can cross the highly selective blood-brain barrier. Think of this barrier as a security gate for your brain, letting in only what's necessary. The anthocyanins get a VIP pass. Once inside, they get to work, acting like a cleanup crew for your neural pathways. They neutralize oxidative stress, which is like rust on your brain cells, and they reduce inflammation, which can lead to that feeling of brain fog and slow thinking. But their most incredible role is stimulating the production of something called brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF. You can think of BDNF as a fertilizer for your brain. It encourages the growth of new neurons and the formation of new synapses, the connections between them. This process, known as neurogenesis, is the very essence of learning, memory, and cognitive flexibility. By drinking this smoothie in the evening, you're essentially providing your brain with the exact building blocks it needs to construct a stronger, more resilient neural architecture overnight. You're not just protecting the brain you have, you're actively building a better one. The ideal time to enjoy this smoothie is about 90 minutes before you plan to go to bed. This gives your body enough time to digest and begin absorbing the nutrients, so they are readily available for your brain's night shift. It becomes a calming, enjoyable ritual that signals to your body and mind that it's time to wind down. Instead of a snack that might spike your blood sugar and interfere with sleep, you're consuming a functional food that actively promotes it. Over time, this simple habit can lead to profound changes. You may notice waking up feeling mentally clearer, with less of that morning fog. Memories might feel easier to recall, and your ability to focus throughout the day could see a marked improvement. You are laying the groundwork for long-term cognitive health, one delicious restorative sip at a time. Tonight's internal sunglasses is simple and soothing. Add 2 large handfuls of spinach, half a cucumber, and a bright squeeze of fresh lime. Spinach brings lutein and zeaxanthin, the pigments that help your macula filter harsh light. Cucumber keeps it crisp and hydrating, supporting healthy tear film and smooth circulation. Juice or blend with a little water. Strain if you like a lighter sip. Pour, breathe, and sip slowly as the day winds down. On screen-heavy nights, enjoy this as a light companion or alternate to your neural architect smoothie. Think of it as gentle protection for evening hours, like sliding on internal sunglasses. Listen to your body, dim the screens, and let your eyes exhale. Don't try to do all of these at once. Pick 2 for today. I recommend the carrot in the morning and the blueberry at night. Stick with it for 1 week. If your mind feels sharper, hit that like button and let me know in the comments. Subscribe to Healthy Horizon for more.